안녕하세요. Welcome back to our Korean learning journey. Today, we are going to unlock the secrets of Korean pronunciation and take your first real steps into speaking the language confidently. If you completed episode 2 and know the Korean alphabet, this lesson will help you sound natural and start using Korean words in daily life. Make sure to have a notebook and pen nearby for practice. And let's begin. Let's start with the foundation. Korean vowels. The sounds in Korean are a bit different from English, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. There are 10 basic vowels. Listen and repeat each one after me. A, pronounced like in car. Ya, pronounced ya. O, which is similar to in cup. Yo, which is ya. U, pronounced O as in go. U, pronounced yo. U, pronounced oo as in moon. U, pronounced you as in you, which is a unique sound like oo with your mouth spread. And E, pronounced E as in see. Let's repeat them together a few times. A, ya, u, you, oo, e. Now try them in reverse. E, u, o, ya, a. Practice saying these out loud and record yourself if possible. Moving on to consonants. Korean has some sounds that don't exist in English, so listen carefully. Here are some of the most common consonants. Yeah, which is somewhere between G and K. Yen, N, D, or T, which can sound like R or L depending on its position. Yeah. M, Bi, B, or P. Shu, S, which is silent at the start of a syllable and sounds like N at the end. Ch, J, Chich, K, but more aspirated. T with more air. K, P with more air. And Hitch, H. Repeat after me. Din, did, din, di, ji, di, di. Great job. Let's mix vowels and consonants to make simple syllables. Ka, na, ba, ta, ka, pa. Try saying each one out loud several times. Let's talk about a special letter, yi. At the start of a syllable, it's silent, for example, in a or e. At the end, it sounds like ng, as in song, like in the word pang, meaning room. Practice, pang. Now let's build real Korean words using what you've learned. Repeat after me. 엄마, meaning mom. 아빠, meaning dad. 학교, meaning school. 사랑, meaning love. 친구, meaning friend. Listen carefully. 엄마, repeat. 아빠, repeat. 사랑, repeat. 친구, repeat. Try writing these words down in Hangul as you listen. Let's practice a few more everyday words. Repeat after me. 물, meaning water. 밥, meaning rice or meal. 집, meaning house or home. 공부, meaning study. Repeat each word after me and try to say them on your own. 물, 밥, 집, 공부. It's important to get used to the syllable structure in Korean. Each block contains a consonant and a vowel, and sometimes ends with another consonant. Practice making new combinations like ka, gu, ki, na, nu, ni, and so on. Try writing and saying them aloud. Now let's move to pronunciation practice routines. Here's a daily routine to help you master pronunciation. Step 1. Read each vowel and consonant 10 times. Step 2. Read real words out loud, listening to native speakers if possible. Step 3. Listen to Korean songs, dramas, or YouTube videos, and try to imitate the sounds even if you don't understand the words yet. Step 4. Record your voice and compare to native pronunciation. Don't worry about sounding perfect right away, just keep practicing. Let's move to basic Korean phrases. These will help you communicate right away. Listen and repeat. 안녕하세요. This means hello. 안녕하세요. Repeat 3 times. Next, 감사합니다, which means thank you. 감사합니다. Repeat. Next, 죄송합니다, meaning I'm sorry. 죄송합니다. Repeat 3 times. Next, day, which means yes. Day. And finally, 아니요, meaning no. 아니요. Practice each one 3 times. 안녕하세요, 감사합니다, 죄송합니다, 아니요. Let's try using these phrases in simple conversations. Imagine someone greets you by saying 안녕하세요. You respond, 안녕하세요. Someone gives you something. You say, 감사합니다. If you bump into someone by accident, say, 죄송합니다. Someone asks you if you like kimchi, you can say, 네. If you don't, you say 아니요. Practice these little dialogues out loud. Next, let's focus on correct intonation. In Korean, the pitch and stress are more even than in English, so avoid making words sound too sing-songy or dramatic. Say each phrase in a flat, friendly tone. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 죄송합니다. 네. 아니요. Try recording and listening back. Let's practice with more phrases for daily life. Repeat after me. 이름이 뭐예요? This means what is your name? 이름이 뭐예요? Try to break it down. 이름, subject particle, what is. If someone asks you this, you can answer 제 이름은 name이에요. For example, 제 이름은 지민이에요. Repeat the question and answer a few times. Another useful phrase, 어디예요? This means where is it? For example, 화장실이 어디예요? Means where is the bathroom? Try it. 화장실이 어디예요? Practice this a few times. Now, let's work on your listening. I'll say a few words, and you repeat. 사과, meaning apple. 우유, meaning milk. 커피, meaning coffee. Repeat after me. 사과, 우유, 커피. Try to identify the vowel and consonant sounds in each word. Write them down in Hangul. Let's try a mini pronunciation challenge. I'll say a word, you repeat and write it down. Ready? 책, meaning book. Repeat, 책. Next, 선생님, meaning teacher. 선생님. Next, 학생, meaning student. 학생. Next, 친구, meaning friend. 친구. Practice saying and writing each word several times. Let's talk about double consonants, which make sounds a bit stronger. Listen. Fa, tra, sa, za. Now use real words. That, meaning daughter. Fang, meaning bread, meaning pear. Rice. Sida, meaning to write or to use. Repeat after me. Fang, za, sad, sida. Let's practice distinguishing similar sounds. Listen and repeat. Ha, ha, ba, da, sa, cha, cha. Notice how the sound gets stronger. Practice each set slowly and then faster. Let's use tongue twisters to improve your fluency. Here's a simple one. 77석의 칠성사이다, 질병. Repeat slowly. 77석의 칠성사이다, 질병. This means 7 bottles of Chilsung cider on the 77th day. Try to say it 3 times, getting faster each time. Now let's do a listening and speaking test. I'll say a sentence. You try to repeat. 저는 학생이에요. This means I am a student. Repeat. 저는 학생이에요. Next. 저는 한국어를 공부해요. I study Korean. Repeat. 저는 한국어를 공부해요. Try saying both sentences back to back. Let's practice making your own sentences. Use the words we've learned. For example, 저는 your name. 예요. I am your name. 학생이에요. I am a student. 저는 친구를 만나요. I meet a friend. Try changing the words to practice different sounds. For more advanced pronunciation, listen for bachim, the final consonant in a syllable. For example, in rice, the final P is soft and doesn't explode like in English. In teep house, the final leap sounds like P. Try saying these words, hop, teep, cup, top. Practice saying them softly at the end. Let's practice with Korean song lyrics or phrases from dramas. Listen and repeat. 사랑해, meaning I love you. 사랑해. Next, 보고 싶어, meaning I miss you. 보고 싶어. Try to match the rhythm and emotion, but keep your pronunciation clear. Let's review today's main points. First, practice vowels and consonants every day. Second, use simple words and phrases in your daily life. Third, listen to and imitate native speakers as much as you can. Fourth, record your voice to track your progress. For homework, here's what you should do. Choose 5 new words and 5 new phrases from today's lesson. Write them down in Hangul. Say them out loud 10 times each. Record yourself and listen back. Try to use at least 1 phrase in real conversation, even with yourself or by leaving a voice message. Korean pronunciation gets easier the more you practice. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Every day you say a few words, you are 1 step closer to fluency. Keep going. Before we finish, let's do a final quick-fire round. I'll say a word. You repeat. 학교, 선생님, 친구, 밥, 물, 사과, 공부, 집, 사랑. Try to say them all in a row, then mix them up and say them out of order. Now, a few rapid-fire phrases. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 네, 아니요. 사랑해요. 어디예요? Repeat them after me, 3 times each. Well done. You've just completed a full pronunciation and speaking basics workout in Korean. Remember to revisit this audio as often as you need and keep practicing every day. In our next episode, we'll start building simple sentences and asking questions to start real conversations in Korean. Keep up the amazing work and see you next time. 감사합니다.